Knowledge on indicators. So today's topic is about having knowledge on indicators. These cannot prepare. We can prepare, but if time is present in the school, so we can prepare. Usually these indicators only knowledge is important, and knowing that knowledge is very well planned in our 7th class chapters textbook. So get through this. In yesterday's topic, we discussed about turmeric paper indicator. That means what you observed was here, color change. One notice is given in our textbook. We notice here that turmeric color changes when soap water or lime water is added to it. Is it possible that some other substances also change their color? So for this, let us see. For that, we will be having one activity. So what we need to do, take a piece of turmeric paper activity. Yesterday, what you have done, when I said find as many of the substances given in the table 2 as possible and put them on the turmeric paper one by one. You could try using other substances around you as well. And what do you observe? Do you find any change in color? That means if you had performed, that means those who are viewing this video, YouTube viewers, so those who are observing, if you have done this activity before only, so you need to try with different kinds of elements, surrounding elements, flowers or leaves, or anything. You need to prepare turmeric paper activity. Then we need to understand, we notice that the color of turmeric paper changes with some substances when added to it. Yes. Why? Because turmeric paper indicator, when you have prepared, the substances will indicate a change in color, and when some substances are added to that, they will indicate another color. So when these papers act like changing colors with respect to any other food items, that kind of substances are called as indicators. That means turmeric is a natural indicator. Turmeric, that means haldi, is a natural indicator. So what is the importance of that? We can prepare whether the substances are acids or bases. Whether the substances are acids or bases. And these kind of turmeric indicators will be prepared in no cost of time. In very less time we can prepare. And next we have, let us test some substances using these natural indicators to the substances mentioned in table 2 and natural indicators, and observe the color change. Write the changes or changed colors in the table 2. Table 2 will give you one idea of turmeric paper. This is what the turmeric paper activity, applying turmeric on a A4 size paper. On an A4 size paper, if we apply turmeric paste, then it will turn into indicator, natural indicator. And these paper sheets, if you cut one by one into small pieces, then any curry or any food, any fruit juice, any solution, any chemical, if you dip this paper, then color change is seen. Dark color, if it is getting, means that food materials, that juices, that chemicals are acids. Light color it is getting, means that foods are bases. No color change is there, means that food is not an acid, not a base. It is a pure one. Understood? Like water. If you dip this one in water, you can find no color. Let us see table 2. Table 2 knowledge is important. Here is the table 2. So left side, if you see, you can see filter paper indicators made using turmeric, petals of hibiscus and mango leaf, beetroot, oleander. Oleander you prepared, that means if you had prepared, I am saying in this video, but if you have prepared turmeric paper indicator as shown in the picture, above picture, same like that with hibiscus also. Hibiscus, you know, the flowers, hibiscus flowers. So this is the hibiscus flower preparation of petals with the help of indicator, hibiscus indicator. The same process, just you need to observe these petals in water, make a paste, and this apply on the paper. Mango leaves, here you can see the mango leaves. With mango leaf also you can prepare same, making a paste and adding on to the A4 size paper. Next, beetroot. So beetroot, here you can see beetroot and cabbage juices prepared. So depending upon different solutions, it given color change. Directly beetroot juice added to different fruits and cabbage added to different foods, such that it given different colors. And oleander, here is the oleander, you can see this is the oleander. Oleander flower you can see everywhere. With this also by paste you can make. And then one by one we need to add. This is only for the knowledge purpose. If time is there in the schools you can perform. If time is not there means knowledge is enough. Vinegar is there. Vinegar you can see here. This is the vinegar. It is same like lemon juice only. Apple juice we know. Banana here. Banana juice. Lemon juice. Soap water we know. Lime water. Glass cleaner we know. Glass cleaners means here Lysol, not Colin, these kind of things will be there. And milk of magnesium is this one. That is also one cleaning one. So what will happen here? One by one we need to dip. For example, vinegar if we are taking. This vinegar we need to add to turmeric indicator, hibiscus indicator, mango leaf indicator, beetroot indicator, oleander indicator. Banana if we are taking means that we need to add to turmeric indicator, hibiscus indicator, mango leaf indicator, beetroot and oleander indicator. Same like that. So till here vinegar, apple, banana, lemon will give dark colors. Dark colors means these are acidic in nature. These are acidic in nature. That means they are not dangerous, they are good. But some acids are very, very dangerous. But from here, soap, lime water, glass cleaner, milk of magnesia, these are called as bases. That will give very dim color. Very dim color. Like this dim color will be giving. But vinegar, apple juice, banana, lemon juice will give dark colors like this dark colors. Why? Because first four are acids, next four are bases. Examples you need to remember. In exam they will be asking you about these examples only. Examples only they will be asking for you. So what is that here examples? Color of indicator, vinegar, apple juice, banana juice, lemon juice. And bases examples: soap water, lime water, glass cleaner, milk of magnesia. Milk of magnesium is this one. It is used for cleaning purposes. And you need to answer for these questions. What are the substances which can change red indicator? That means first four substances. Understood? We given here. First four substances are there. Vinegar, apple juice, banana, lemon juice will change into red color. Are there any substances which can change the color of more than two indicators? Yes, it can change. That means maximum these all can change the indicators, two or more indicators. First four will change into more indicators. And last one, is there any substance which cannot change the color of the indicator? Yes, water will be there. We will use water also. Water cannot change in any of the solution. That means turmeric paper, if it is dipped in water, no color change. Petals of hibiscus indicator, if we dip in water, no color change. Mango leaf, if it is dipped in water, no color change. And beetroot juice indicator, if we dip in water, no color change. Oleander paste indicator also, if we dip in water, no color change. So there is water as a substance which cannot change the color of the indicator. So this table is about knowledge purpose only, completely knowledge. Understood? So you will be having differences. Here you might have understood what are the acids and bases. So first four are acids, next four are bases. You need to remember vinegar, apple juice, banana, lemon juice are acids. Soap, lime water, glass cleaner, milk of magnesia are the bases. You need to remember that. And these are the questions. If you are able to answer means you are going to understand. If you have not understood the topic again, you need to suppose to see the video.